Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. And in this video, we are going to go over our universal cell phone mount for any cup holder. This version has the extended arm that allows you to adjust the height and the position in a way that'll be better for GPSs or whatever, or watching YouTube or whatever you want to do with it. If you want to find this on our website, you go to TadiBrothers.com. In the search bar, you put in SKU 30028. And that'll take you right to the item. You'll read all about it and see all the different options for this product itself. So first, what I want to do is I want to go over all the different components, put it together for you, talk about some of the features, show it to you with the phone, and we'll see where that takes us from there. Okay, so the first piece is the base itself. This is the adjustable arm. It's got different positions that you could put it in. The next thing is we have this ring right here. This ring is what tightens the holder for the phone itself. Okay, this goes right in there like that. And this is the phone holder. Okay, this will hold your phone, depending, any phone you have there, big, small, it'll all fit in here. Okay, so let me put this together for you now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the ring that you see here, and we're going to put this side, the grooves, we want it facing out. So we're going to put that right in here like that. Then we're going to take the actual phone holder, and we're going to put it in the ball like this. When you hear the click, you know you're there. Then we're going to take the ring behind the phone holder and tighten this up. You don't have to go nuts, tighten it too hard. We'll go over that later, because sometimes you might want to make it landscape or portrait. You want to be able to adjust it according to your particular needs. But this is the basic setup. I mean, you basically have it all here. I'm going to tighten this thing here for the arm, just for this video like that. Right? And then it just stands like this. It's going to go in your cup holder. The way this works, and the really cool mechanism that we have here, is that you have this ring here that you can turn, right? And when you turn it, these little, let's say, feet contract or expand. So when you put it in your cup holder, you can turn it. You can see here, it's really quick. It expands to your cup holder's diameter, and just tighten it a little bit more, and then it won't move. So if you're rock climbing or off-roading or whatever you want to do, this will keep your screen, your phone, from shaking. The next adjustment you have is this thing here. This is for the arm, right? So if you want to adjust the height of it, see, up and down like this, you could do that. It's got little teeth inside of it, so it also helps you with it. You see like that, click, 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 and then you just tighten it when you get to the place here. And then that won't move. And then the final adjustment is right here. But I'll show you this one in a second. Now, to put the phone in there, you have this button right here. And you open that up, this thing opens up. So we're going to click on that. See? There you go. Right? So you hold it. You could open up a little bit. Or if you just hold it down, it'll open it up all the way. Right? And you see it's got that elegant open like that. That shows that it's got a high quality mechanism inside. The second part is you have the little feet portion. So if you have a bigger phone, you would hold this down here. You hold this down, and then that opens up. You can close that up or do that, whatever you want to do with it there. Once you have those settings in, we're going to put our phone in there like this, and then we're just going to tighten it up from this side here, and now you have the phone. Okay? Now, the reason I didn't talk about this part is because if we loosen it up, it gives you the option of holding the phone like this or holding the phone like this. All right, that's an important thing depending on what you're doing in your vehicle. If you are going off-roading, you don't want that option. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tighten this as much as you can. And we're using heavy-duty plastic here, so you have nothing to worry about. You're not going to break it, right? And then it won't move no matter what you do, right? I can't even turn it landscape if I wanted to right now. So let me open this up a little bit. I can go like this, and now I have it landscape mode. Okay, to release the phone, we're just gonna click that button there, and as you can see, it's been released. We're gonna put the phone back like this, and you are good to go. Okay, so here, we're gonna hold it down, it opens it up, and then we're gonna take the phone. One other feature I wanted to go over this thing with you is when you want to take your phone out, you just give it a half a twist. That's usually enough to release it, and then you can take it. This is very portable. You can take it from vehicle to vehicle. Another feature here that you'd want to know about is that this expandable mechanism is absolutely fantastic. We've seen other brands where they put it in little cups, like those old Russian dolls. And that's it's a pain in the butt because you have to screw things in here and release it. It's a whole story. This thing, you just easily open it up, close it. It gives you a strong clasp, so it's not going to move. And you could always move it from vehicle to vehicle. This will fit in a child's cup holder, in the back seats, whatever you guys want to do with it. This thing will last you for years. It also comes with a 10-year warranty because we know this thing is never going to break. Beyond that, this is it. There isn't much else to say about this one here. Again, it's SKU number 30028. It's got this elegant opening mechanism to show you the quality of the product. It's got this feet on the bottom to give you, depending on what phone you have, so it will fit snug with any kind of phone you have. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this assembly video helped. If you haven't, whip on over to TadiBrothers.com and purchase this today. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.